Hello children, how are you all? Well, in this video we will learn about notice writing. We will understand all about notice writing, like some key points, format and example. So without wasting any time, let's start. What is notice? It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, general instruction. Then it puts on public place, school board. Now there are some key points while writing notice. You have to keep all these in your mind. So these 4 important points will be helpful to you. The ideal length of notice is 50 words, so only relevant points needs to be addressed. Present the notice in proper format. Try to write notice in direct speech or passive voice only. Don't use personal pronouns like I and we. So let's look on the format of notice writing. A rectangular box needs to be created where we are going to write the notice. In the top middle portion, the name of the school or organization which is issuing the notice must be written. Then right below it notice words needs to be written. Then in the left hand side write the date of notice. The below this line, starting from the left side, body of the notice comes. Okay. After the body is completed, write signature, name and designation of the authority comes. Now let's understand what should be there in body of the notice. While writing the notice, you have to keep 6 W's in your mind. So take a look here. What is the notice about? So what is the notice about? The notice is clearly mentioned that what is going to happen or what is already to be happen. Second one is who is addressed to. Who all are supposed to address to the notice should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Third one is where. If the notice is for an event, then the location of such an event must be clearly written. Fourth, when is the event going to be happen? This one is time and date of the event or meeting. Fifth one is what to do. Here instructions are written related to the notice. And the last one is whom. Final details should be whom to contact or get in touch with. This mentioned who the appropriate authority is to contact with. So these are the 6 important points must be present while writing notice. Now look at the example which is in your syllabus. So this is the example. You are the cultural secretary of your school. The school is organizing a painting exhibition. Draft a notice inviting names for the students for participating in the exhibition. So at first, here the name of that school. On the left side, just below it, date. This is the body portion. And in the last, on the left side, name and designation of that organization. I hope all of you understand it very well. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this. So now I will teach you how to write a paragraph. So without further go, let's start. What is a paragraph? Is a group of sentences, and these group of sentences revolve around one central idea. That means these group of sentences must be logically connected with each other and it must have unity. Secondly, sentences must be in proper order and there must be variety in these sentences, means that they should sound in monotonous. So it means that a paragraph is a group of sentences focused on one central idea, and these sentences must be unity, order, and variety in them. Now, a paragraph can be of any length, but generally you can write it into 8 to 10 sentences. So, you have got exactly an idea that what a paragraph is. Let's discuss the template of paragraph. You can see there are 5 steps involved in it. At first, define the topic of a paragraph. Second one, state the problem that we are currently facing. Third one is to provide the solution to resolve the problem. Fourth one is to state the benefits. And the fifth one is to conclude the problem in a positive way. So, my dear students, all of you keep these important 5 points in your mind and you can be able to write a paragraph. Right now, there are 2 paragraphs in your syllabus. First is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and the second one is Time is Money. In first step, you have to define about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd of October 2014 from Rajghat, New Delhi on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. It was launched by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. He called this campaign Satyagraha se Swachhagraha. You can add by yourself and you can add more lines to this introductory part. In second step, you have to discuss the problem that we Indians are facing, like problem of scarcity of water, sanitation in rural areas, disposal of garbage, etc. In third step, write the solution that our government is doing with the help of organizations like NGOs, WHO and government's staff also. In fourth step, write the benefits of the launching this campaign, like importance of pure water, sanitation and cleanliness. And in last, write the objective of this Abhiyan, like it was aimed at constructing 90 million toilets in rural India. And in last, conclude all these steps in a positive way. So I hope all of you understand how to write a paragraph and will be able to write by yourself. Write in your notebook both the paragraphs which is in your syllabus. That's all for today. Thank you.